Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, bubuksan ko ang pinakamalupit, pinakamaganda, ultra mega dynamic, crazy, super good, ultimate Xiaomi mystery box. Sobrang ganda ng laman nito. Sobrang grabe yung impact ng box na to. And titingnan natin kung ano laman niya. Let's go. Bam! So this is what's inside the Xiaomi mystery box. So buksan natin at tingnan natin kung ano laman niya. Mukhang puro smartphone to eh. So first, we have para ba to? We have a brand new Xiaomi Redmi 9, one of the best Xiaomi smartphones that you guys can get. This is 3GB RAM, 32GB ROM, and it's in the carbon gray color. Ang ganda, di ba? So Xiaomi Redmi 9. The next gadget inside this mystery box is, uy! Isa pang Xiaomi Redmi 9. Lupit ah! Tingnan pa nga natin ano pa laman ng box. We have another Xiaomi Redmi 9. Tatlong Xiaomi Redmi 9. So buksan natin dyan. The next gadget is isa pa, pang-apat na Xiaomi Redmi 9. Then we have another gadget over here. We have another Xiaomi Redmi 9. That's already 5 Xiaomi Redmi 9 smartphones. And we also have a few more. We have another one, Xiaomi Redmi 9. We have, isa pa, another Xiaomi Redmi 9. And we have, one more Xiaomi Redmi 9. And we have 2 more Xiaomi Redmi 9. So all in all, we have 10 brand new Xiaomi Redmi 9s from this mysterious, crazy surprise Xiaomi mystery box. Ngayon, ito po ay hindi isang mystery box. Clickbait ko kayo. Bakit ko kayo clickbait? Because ang ginawa ko po, bumili po ako ng 10 Xiaomi mystery na smartphone. This is in coordination and with the help of Xiaomi Philippines. And we will be donating all 10 smartphones together with a check that I'm going to write for cash to help fund relief operations and rehabilitation efforts in badly hit areas by Ulysses, specifically and especially po yung nangyayari ngayon sa Cagayan tsaka sa Tuguegarao. Ngayon yung ibibigay ko po, hindi naman talaga will change the outcome of everything, but man, kung makita ninyo how bad things are, if you check the news, if you read the tweets, if you see what's going viral on Facebook, you will see that it's really bad. And I cannot in good conscience do a sneaker vlog. I cannot in good conscience do a vlog about nice gadgets and nice stuff and useless things if you think about it, if you compare it to the plight of our countrymen na sobrang naghihirap ngayon dahil tinamaan sila ng bagyo. Sobrang sama po talaga ng nangyari. And pag tingnan nyo lang talaga yung picture, talagang luluha po tayo. This is the small gesture that I can do, but hopefully I can encourage all of you to do the same. These 10 smartphones plus the cash will be turned over to the PLDT Smart Foundation. To those who know me, yun ang aking favorite foundation kasi I see what they do and talagang umaabot sa beneficiary yung binibigay ko sa kanila. So I will turn over all of this. But if you guys want to support other institutions, nandyan ang PDRF, nandyan ang Kaya Natin, nandyan ang Office of the Vice President. There's so many institutions that you guys can reach out to in order to help. Kung kayo ay komportable, kung kayo ay in excess, kung kayo ay nanonood ngayon at may aircon kayo, may pagkain kayo, at okay kayo, at masaya kayo, ang tawag po dyan, meron po tayong calling. Ang calling na yan ay tumulong. Hindi po tayo komportable at masaya for no reason. Tayo po ay komportable at masaya dahil tayo ay naatasan na tumulong sa panahon na to. So if you are watching today and you are seeing me in this particular vlog and you feel whatever tug at it, at your heart, kahit konting krut man lang sa puso ninyo, kahit konting pitik lang sa puso ninyo na baka pwede kayong tumulong, now is the absolute best time po tumulong. What I would recommend is that you sacrifice. What is it that you love the most? Mahilig ba kayo sa sapatos, katulad ko? Mahilig ba kayo sa gadgets, katulad ko? Ano ba yung mahilig ba kayo sa Starbucks? Kung ano man yung gusto ninyong pinanggagastusan ninyo, sacrifice 1 or 2 of those and use it to help. Kasi kung lahat-lahat po tayo mag-sacrifice at lahat-lahat po tayo wag muna gawin yung nagpapasaya sa atin, kahit sandali lang, kahit konti lang, and we give that up to give to others, then I think that makes all the more difference. Because if there's one thing I've learned, the only thing better than making money is really giving it away, especially to those in need. And I think yun yung matututunan din natin sa prosesong to. I just feel really helpless looking at what's happening. And whatever I can do like this to help, I will do. And I hope you guys feel the same. Diba? So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed, well, not enjoyed, I hope this vlog reached you. I hope this vlog touches you. I hope this vlog kind of disturbs you. But most importantly, at pinaka-importante sa lahat, I hope this vlog moves you into action. No matter how much you can give. Kahit maliit yan, 10 piso, 20, 50, 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, whatever you can give, whatever you can sacrifice. Sacrifice now. Because there are a lot of people who really need it. And this is the time for us to come together, and this is the time for us to help those in need. Bakit pa tayo linagay sa mundong to, at bakit pa tayo ginawang komportable, at bakit pa tayo blines ng bubong sa taas ng ulo natin, if hindi naman natin kaya isukli yung binigay sa ating mercy ng Diyos sa kasamaang palad, tatamaan talaga ng bagyo. We are at the mercy of God. And the fact that we are okay now, the fact that we are safe, the fact that you are with your families, that we are with our families, is mercy. And ang sukli sa mercy ng Diyos ay show that kind of kindness and compassion to those who weren't as fortunate. Okay? And with that said, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you guys give. I hope you guys support. I'll list down below some accounts if you want to support our fundraising drive. We're doing a fundraising drive for Project 7 to 1. All of the proceeds, 100% of the proceeds will be given to the 3 foundations that I mentioned earlier, PLDT Smart Foundation, PDRF, the Kaya Natin Foundation of the Vice President, or I'm not sure it's with the Vice President, but saying Kaya Natin Foundation. And I will be starting the fund by putting in 20,000 pesos cash and these 10 smartphones. And through the following days, I'll try to add more. But you are more than welcome to help and donate. If you want to donate to us first and we'll be the one to donate it to them, pwede yun. Our accounts are down below. If you want to donate to them directly, if you know anybody that you can bless directly, gawin nyo rin yun. Ang importante, tumulong po tayo. And with that said, I hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys are fine. And if nanonood kayo ngayon at nandiyan kayo sa isang lugar na tinamaan, I'm not sure if what I'm going to do will help you, will reach you, but rest assured that you will always be every day in my prayers. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.